The Art of Meditation, a beginner's guide to mindfulness and introspection. Now more than ever, meditation is so very important. Life can often feel chaotic and overwhelming, and so many people have different job requirements and routines, especially since the pandemic and lockdown. 9 to 5 jobs are no longer the overall norm for millions of people. And if you're working for yourself, meditation can be a powerful tool to help you with self-discipline and to avoid burnout. Practicing meditation offers a refuge, a chance to slow down, turn your attention inward, and reconnect with your true self. If you're new to meditation, the idea of sitting quietly with your thoughts can seem boring or daunting, but with a little practice, you can learn to embrace meditation as a renewal for your mind, body, and spirit. At its core, meditation is the practice of focused awareness. By learning to direct your attention purposefully, you can achieve a state of relaxed awareness and inner calm. Meditation takes many forms, but most techniques share these basic steps. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably without distractions or interruptions. Focus your attention on a single point of reference, like your breath, a repeated phrase, known as a mantra, or an object. Gently bring your attention back to your point of focus when your mind wanders. Let go of judgment and acknowledge thoughts and sensations without overreacting to them. The goal isn't to stop thinking altogether, but rather to detach from the drama of your thoughts. As you practice regulating your attention and awareness, you'll experience the refreshment and insight that arises during and after meditation. Meditation really is important with increasingly busy digital lives, and it's vital to tap into the restorative powers of meditation to stay on point. Here are some of the many benefits of making meditation a regular habit. Lowers stress and anxiety. By activating your body's relaxation response, meditation helps ease psychological stress, enhances self-awareness. Tuning inward can help you gain insight about your mental and emotional patterns. Sharpens focus and concentration. Meditation trains your mind to stay focused in the present moment, improves sleep. Unwinding before bed with meditation can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly, boosts mood and happiness. Meditation releases feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, strengthens the immune system. Studies show meditation may protect against illness and disease, slows aging. Meditation can help regulate blood pressure and decrease cellular inflammation. With so many proven benefits, it's clear why meditation is recommended by doctors and health experts alike. Just a few minutes of practice each day can start to create positive changes. Now let's address the elephant in the room. I'm too busy. When life gets extra hectic, meditation often falls to the bottom of the priority list. But this is precisely when you need it the most. If you're having trouble finding time to meditate, remember that just 5 or 10 minutes a day can make a difference. Here are some tips for working meditation into busy days. Set your alarm earlier. Use the snooze time for a short morning meditation. Take mini meditation breaks. Find moments to focus on your breath, like waiting in line. Combine meditation with exercise. Try mindful walking, yoga, or tai chi. Make meditation social. Attend guided meditations at local studios or places of worship. Find reminders to meditate. Put up post-it notes, set phone alerts, or schedule it on your calendar. Prioritize meditation. Treat it like an important appointment. Don't cancel it. Practice mindfulness in everyday tasks. Fully focus your senses on daily routines like eating, driving, or brushing your teeth. Be patient with yourself. Some days your meditation practice will feel more fruitful than others. Just keep at it. The time is now. Finding inner calm and clarity through meditation could be one of the best gifts you give yourself. Don't let excuses or busy schedules stop you from trying it. Start wherever you are, even just 5 minutes today, and build a meditation habit for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life.